All right, hey, what's going on, guys? So in for repair, what we have is a PlayStation 5 right here. And what's going on with this system is it has the blue light of death. That's what they called on the internet. I have my nephew with me. He's Verso. He's also on TikTok. If you guys want to check out his videos, go ahead and check him out on TikTok. And what he's going to be doing is showing you guys how to put this PS5 into safe mode. Let's go ahead and let's get it. All right, so there you go. You hold the power button till you hear the second beep. And there's the second beep. And we look over here and it says connect controller. And we're connecting up the controller. Push the PlayStation button. And now you're in safe mode. So this is safe mode. And this is where you can do a software update, whatever you need to do in order to get it working. We're gonna try number 5. Let's try option 5, see if that will fix it. Rebuild database. And okay, and let's see if that will actually fix a problem that we're having. Rebuilding the database sometimes will fix it. If not, what we can do is try a software update, but let's just try this first. And there we go, we have the PlayStation logo. And we're gonna see what happens once it's finished here. So these are the steps that I would go through if I had a problem like this and I'm trying to solve it, or I do have a problem like this and I'm trying to solve it. These are the steps that I would go through. I wouldn't immediately update the software. I would try to rebuild, because maybe when there was a power outage, there was an update going on at the same time. So rebuilding will actually put all the files that have been scattered in the process of the system shutting down and put them all back together. So let's rebuild and let's see what happens. And it seems like we're right back to that black screen again, right? Okay. So the next step is we're gonna put it back into safe mode again, because it obviously didn't fix a problem, and then we'll try something else. All right, we're gonna try safe mode again so you guys can see how it's done. See, he's just holding the button. That's all he's doing. And that's the second beep. That's all you do to get the PlayStation in the safe mode. And there we are. Let's try reset. And yep. And let's see what happens here. Let's see if a reset will actually do it. If not, then we'll download the software and then we'll try software reinstall. Okay, so it won't let us do it. Hit OK. Okay, reset PS5. Yes. And I mean, either way, even if we had reinstalled the software using a USB, it still would have erased all the customer's information. So it doesn't matter whichever way you do it. Sucks. Save your information to an external hard drive, and that way you don't have to worry about this issue. So let's see how badly corrupted the software is on this console. And there we go, an easy fix. So if you got this problem, guys, the easiest fix, factory reset it, and that's it. All right, so there you go, guys. We fixed the console. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead, check out this video. If you love anime and you love short videos, Verso on TikTok, that's his name. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.